All right, Jason is back with his full forecast. And Jason, for the viewers who were with us a few minutes ago, we're already talking about tomorrow's weather, even though today was pretty perfect out there.
Yeah, I mean, this is our annual Grinch storm. It comes in this time of the year, just like last year, and it's going to steal all the snow and bring all the rain and wind.
Not what we want to hear.
And this is just Mother Nature giving us that, yearly dose of storms that come through right about this time of the year, mid to late December. Right now, satellite and radar is all clear. For us, at least. Head down south, though, it's a much different story. Florida and the peninsula and also up towards Chicago. And these two kind of pieces of energy are going to come together, as you see right here. One here, one here. And watch what happens as we get into Sunday. They're going to combine forces and bombogenesis. So what that means is a storm gets a lot of energy. It kind of gets a steroid shot of energy as those two pieces come together and combine into one. But this, for us, is an inland runner track. It's not going to take the nor'easter track. It's going to go inland. So that's going to bring a lot of the moisture and the energy up from the south instead of pulling it offshore. So that's a power outage threat for on Monday for us because of the south wind versus a north wind, isolated flooding inland, and once again, not a winter storm. We're not getting any real precip out of this that's going to be frozen, and certainly not a nor'easter. Right now, the wind is out of the northeast, but that's going to change into tonight and tomorrow. Watch what happens here as we get into your Sunday. The clouds start to lower and thicken, and by Sunday, most of the day, it is pretty much overcast. Temperatures, not bad, 30s, 40s. And look at the wind shift here Sunday afternoon out of the south, okay? So a few showers as we get through 8 o'clock. Not a lot of rain, but the rain gets heavier Sunday night. That's our first batch of rain, heavy at times. And then by Monday morning, dark greens and then yellows in southern Maine at 10 o'clock. And that's heavy rain. That's going to be that soaking, drenching rain. And that's going to push through all day Monday. This is a complete washout on Monday. Then you also have the wind that's going to be into Monday morning out of the south here. That's a bad wind direction. You got root systems that are a bit compromised because of all the rain. And then we go southeast with the wind and south, 48, 47 mile an hour wind gusts into your day on Monday. And Monday afternoon, 62 in Rockland. That'll take down some limbs or some power lines. So watch out, especially along the coast. And then by Monday night, the wind's going to shift off to the east. So rainfall amounts, my biggest concern is going to be in this 3 to 4 inch stripe here, southeast facing slopes where all of the energy kind of hits those mountains in the upslope area and it gets wrung out, right there on top. So power outage risk goes up as we get into Monday. This is a Monday storm for power outages, 50 to 60 mile per hour gusts, rain about 2 to 4 inches. So you want to bring Santa and the reindeer and the inflatables inside. Get them in the garage if you can. How about the wind? Not bad. Gusting to 40 knots tomorrow, but it's going to go up. You're going to have also with this, you're going to have seas building on Monday. There'll be some splash over along the coast for sure. And you're going to have 20, 25-foot seas just around near shore for the mariners Monday, especially mid-coast and down east. But we do clear out Tuesday, a couple of showers, but by Wednesday it's nice. A few snow showers inland Thursday. They're not going to get any amount of snow that's going to make us get into the, well, you know what it is, the white Christmas. I hate to break hearts, but it's just not happening this year. It's another Grinch storm to take that snow away.
Well, Jason, to be in the middle here, I think folks would rather have maybe no snow and sunshine around the holiday weekend rather than this system that we're seeing. So
exactly. Last year we had a lot of rain. This year, at least we dry out.
We'll take the sunshine, I guess.
Sir.
All right, Jason.